The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue their offensive in the course of special military operation. On March 26, high-precision, long-range aviation weapons destroyed a large fuel base near Lvov, which provided fuel for Ukrainian troops in western Ukraine as well as near Kiev. In addition, high-precision cruise missiles have destroyed the workshops of Lvov radio repair plant in Lvov city. This enterprise has overhauled and upgraded Tor and S-125 anti-aircraft missile systems, radar stations for Ukrainian Air Force, electronic warfare equipment and sites for tanks. Also, high-precision sea-based long-range weapons destroyed a warehouse of missiles for S-300 and Buk anti-aircraft missile systems in Plesetskoye, 30 kilometers southwest of Kiev city. Operational tactical and army aviation hit 67 military assets of the Ukrainian armed forces. Among them 2 command posts, 3 field depots with arms and ammunition, 11 strongholds of Ukrainian armed forces units, and 20 areas of military equipment concentration. Russian air defense means overnight destroyed 18 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles over Novaya Basan, Peski, Borispol, Shchors, Vishnevoe, Kryukovka and Petrovskiy. In total, 289 unmanned aerial vehicles, 1,656 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 169 multiple launch rocket systems, 684 field artillery and mortars, as well as 1,503 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.